Hello. In this video, I'll be showing you how to manage your club's documents on Campus Labs. To access the documents, just click this drop-down menu, go to the Documents tab, and select it. This will take you to the Documents Hub that show the documents that you have in place for the club. Here, you can see that I already have some documents present here, Service Document folder, the Constitution Bylaws. You can search for specific documents here in the Search tab, as well as sort by document type. For instance, if I do Constitution/Bylaws, then only Constitution/Bylaws will show up. From here, if you want to upload any of your documents, you would click Add File. If you want to organize these documents in specific sets, you can put them in folders with the Add Folder button. To download documents that you have on your hub, you have this download button right here, which you would click and it will download it to your device. Additionally, we have these options here for sharing purposes, for opening purposes, moving purposes, renaming, permissions, and to remove the document in general. Now, to add a document to your document hub, you'd click Add File. Here, you'd select the file that you are looking to upload, be it Constitution, be it manuals on how to do specific things, whether it be specific processes, just whatever documents or files that you will need for the organization of your club by the officers. Furthermore, you have to title the document, say it's a guide to how to manage service hours or something along the lines of the revision process or a funding appeal document. You would just put it in this title. Then the type here, you could do it by Constitution/Bylaws, default, and organizing documents. This will determine the document type for sorting purposes that you've seen in the hub. Furthermore, the permissions are here, which allow whether the public would see them, anyone on campus, anyone in the organization roster, or specific organization positions. This is very useful for organizing the type of forms that are present and for who can access them, whether or not you want anyone to see them or only UH members to see them, or even just members of your own organization or specific officers. This is a very good organization tool for your club. Now, I will cancel since we're not adding anything, and that is how to manage the Documents tab.